If you're watching this video, you probably have a wall temp too high notification on your Tesla app. I'm going to show you a quick DIY fix, how to fix it at home. So come right here and I'll show you how. Step one is to unplug everything from the wall. Extra safety precaution is go turn off the breaker for your Tesla app. And we're going to start off by doing the actual plug first. You see these little contacts in here? You want to get those all clean. If you see the Q-tip over here, you see all that dirt that came off of this, guys. Here's a little quick educational fact. Anything in between electrical contact points causes extra resistance. More resistance with the same amount of voltage means more amperage being pulled. This is probably why you're getting the wall temp too high, because you have extra amperage being used because of all this dirt. So that is one easy way to correct this problem. Second thing we're gonna do is come to the car and check the portal over here as well. Now, I did try cleaning this. It wasn't as bad. You can see I just have the Q-tip damp on one side, the other side is dry. All I'm doing is carefully, especially because on this side we do technically have power on the car. I'm just doing a quick brush, making sure things are clean, not going too crazy into it. Just real quick. This third prong especially, there's three little ones down here if you want to show them. These ones you really want to make sure they're clean. This is pretty sealed from the factory, but again, the cleaner the better. And there you go, we got a little bit of dirt out. Third thing, okay, if this doesn't fix it, which by the way, you don't want to plug it in right away. What you want to do is really let this cool down. Right now it's still hot to the touch. I'm going to actually put this in the car under the floorboard on the passenger side, turn on the AC, let this cool down really nicely. But what you want to do for your last step is inspect your wall plug itself. Now, I know that the Tesla app was not freaking out because you can see burr mounts on this wall mount. This thing has been installed in here probably 4 years ago. I don't know if this is the one that's meant for EV vehicles. So I'm actually gonna take this apart, make sure it's rated for an EV vehicle. I'll put the brand of the one I'm using in the description below. I actually ordered a specific one. I put like $70, $80 on it. I'm gonna be replacing this just because I don't want these burn marks. I don't like this, guys. There's a lot of electricity. It's a fire hazard. But the cause of this, again, it could be loose contact points in here, which you want an electrician to come, make sure everything is good, or like I said, replace it with the proper one so you don't have this problem again. Or, like I said, it could have been overheating because of the dirt on the car. I've seen both happen. My Tesla at home personally, I cleaned the portals. I let the thing cool down once. It has been fine since. I just bought this as an extra precaution. So these are the 3 reasons why you'll get a wall temp too high. Last thing I want to mention, especially if your car is under warranty, once this cools down, once you try it again, especially once you replace that, or even before replacing that, take your cable to Tesla. I know I actually had one that went bad and they replaced it under warranty. They gave me a brand new one. And since then, I didn't have the issue with my first Model Y, which is a 2021 model. What happened to my Model X, it ended up being with the wall mount itself. Like I said, it was a bad connector. And I used to always yank out, put it back in, yank out, put it back in. The contact points got loose. So, well, without further ado, that's all I wanted to show you all. 3 quick, easy fixes you can try at home to get your car charging at full 32 amps again instead of the slow charge you're probably dealing with, which is really annoying. Let me know if it worked for you in the comments below. Let me know if you have anything to add to this. Thank you all for watching. I hope these tips help you. I know everyone has Teslas, and EV out. Peace.